Welcome! In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and find the power saving toggle. It actually looks like it's not added by default, or this is it. Anyway, I'm gonna click on this pencil and see if there's actual power saving mode right here. Actually looks like there isn't. Unless I am really blind. So in any case, I'm gonna check out this X mode. Nope, this just looks like a gaming mode. So the reason I actually went in here is because sometimes what this would be a boost mode could have the opposite of it, which we do have it right here. So we have the X mode and we have the ultra durable mode. So this would be the power saving mode, you could say. Now, once you enable it from here, let's see if, yep, this will always enable the X mode or turn it off. But it looks like when you turn it off, it will go back to your previous selection. So just to showcase this, enabled, we'll switch to the basically boosted mode. This will consume more power, and once you turn it off, it will go to the last selected either dynamic or durable mode. So there we go. And one last thing that I'm gonna check, just to be certain, ASUS does have pretty good battery settings. So if we go into the battery under settings, we have system mode, dynamic, and ultra durable. You can apply it. For some reason, I guess maybe I changed it. But in any case, once you select the ultra durable, you can also click on the settings, and in here you can see we have stupid amount of options that you can change. Obviously, all those enabled will prolong your battery life. If you choose to turn them off, obviously that will reduce the battery life. So as an example, the refresh rate caps the display at 60 Hz, gives you slower display, but gives you also better battery life. If you choose to turn that off, obviously the display will go back to functioning as it does when the mode is off, meaning it will be running at 144 Hz when you're scrolling up and down. So there we go. Now, let's see one more thing, and yeah, it goes back to being enabled. So to turn off the durable mode, you need to basically hold the X mode and select dynamic. This is the normal mode, or considered as any one of those being turned off. So there we go. For some reason we still have this little icon. Let's go back into the settings, battery. So right here it's enabled. That is interesting. So it looks like when you enable it through the settings, you will also need to turn it off through settings, which is not the best option. So anyway, dynamic, apply, and there we go. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.